Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'll show you what exactly you need to know about Membership Plus on 1688, how you can activate and how you can get your first 100 yuan for instant purchase on any store as a Plus member on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDovish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and proceed to your profile. And I'm getting to your profile right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. And you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. That's going to take you to Membership Plus details right here. Now, the first month here is 70 yen, 100 yen. This is based on the rank. You can see as labeling right here, okay, onto the third right here. So you can swipe and see more about this coupon and free yuan as a Membership Plus. Now, for you to claim all this, you need to make sure you activate your membership on 1688 in order to enjoy some of these free AWOF right here. And for that, simply click on here to get started in activation. Then it will take you right here. So here you have some of the informations, details about Membership Plus right here. Now here, Membership Plus right here, then these are what you gain if you activate to a Pro membership options right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and select any of the features. So scroll down right here and go ahead and click on here. So you can read the detail about the terms and what are the things you benefit as a Plus member right here. So continue to read detail right here. You can translate this to whatever language of your choice. This depends on whatever type of translation you are using. So once you're satisfied with the terms of everything right there, go ahead and activate your membership and you start enjoying some of the benefits as a Membership Plus right here on 1688. What you get is that if ordinary user of 1688 Chinese shopping app bought a product for 10 yuan, as a membership, you can buy that same product at the price of 3 yuan. These are incredible offer you are getting as a Plus member on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks about 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.